Hey guys, it's Ramiro here. I'm a senior studying aerospace engineering, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about the Common App and what to expect on it. So let's get right into it. So what's the first thing you should do? Well, you should go into the Common App, create a profile, and put down USC as one of the schools you want to apply to. So with the help of some of my friends, rather than teach you guys how to fill out the Common App, we're gonna let you guys know how we approach the Common App and give you guys some tips on it. To make this video super easy to follow, I've broken it down into 4 major sections. The first is personal information, second is extracurriculars, third are the personal essays, and fourth are the supplemental questions. So the first section is the personal information. This section is super easy to fill out, so make sure you don't mess up. It's where you put your name, email, home address, and other information that USC requires you to put down. Don't forget to put engineering as your first choice of major when applying to USC. This ensures that your application is read and reviewed by an official Viterbi admissions officer. Doesn't matter which engineering field you choose, or even if you know what field to choose, but make sure engineering is the #1 choice for you. So step 2 are the extracurriculars. This is where you can put any type of extracurricular you have done in high school. Like for me, I was captain of the soccer and lacrosse team, but I also put down that I did community service for my local church.
I wrote about where I spend the most of my time. I spent 4 hours a day at practice, so I wrote down football.
I did dance and writing for the literary magazine.
My friend and I, we decided to start up an Ultimate Frisbee club at our high school called Ultimate Friends.
Everyone's different, so don't expect there to be one right answer. Just make sure you put down things that are important to you. Step 3 that I've broken down is the essay questions. This is probably the largest chunk of the application, so you should probably spend more time preparing for these sections. Even though you have to prepare a bunch for this section, don't be scared of it. It's basically where you're telling your own story, so someone who's reading your application knows who you are as a person.
Write about what's important to you and why. Be as honest as possible, be as open as possible.
I think if you're interested in something, I think you should just dive straight into it, pursue it relentlessly, and I think that essay will be a lot easier to write when you have something that you love and something that you want to share with admission counselors.
Step 4, the supplemental application. Wait, is there a supplemental application?
Nope.
That's right, there is no supplemental application, but there are supplemental questions. These only populate once you put down an engineering discipline as your #1 choice for major. So what should you expect on these supplemental questions? These questions are just trying to get to know who you are as a person.
Each applicant will have the same questions presented to them. A new question that we didn't have in our year, but will be in your application this year, will be on the grand challenges. You'll be able to research a topic you're interested in and explain why you chose that topic.
There are lots of interesting grand challenges, so definitely try to read them all.
A question you won't see but was on our application our year was
whether I was a geek or a nerd. By the way, I put down both.
On the quick take section, when you answer what your favorite song is or your favorite invention, don't be afraid to really let your personality shine.
Ask the people around you that know you the best to help you out with those questions.
I wrote down suitable for admission as my 3 words to describe me, and somehow I still got in, so you'll be good to go.
And that does it for my 4-step guide to approaching the Common App. So if you have more questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and check out Viterbi Voices, and don't forget to light on.